Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Malabar Rebellion. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, a three-member panel of the Indian Council of Historical Research, that is ICHR, has proposed the removal of 387 martyrs, including Variam Kunnath and Ali Musliar, from a book on the martyrs of the freedom struggle. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has criticized the central government's decision to remove Malabar Rebellion leaders from the list of freedom fighters. It is notable that there is also a proposal to remove the martyrs of the wagon tragedy from the list of martyrs of the freedom struggle of India. Now let's discuss about the Malabar Rebellion 1921. 20th August 2021 marked the centenary of the Malabar Rebellion. It is also known as the Moplah Riots. It was an uprising of Muslim tenants against British rulers and local Hindu landlords in the Malabar region of Kerala. It started on August 20, 1921 and lasted for several months. About 10,000 people lost their lives in this rebellion, including 2,339 rebels. It is also considered one of the first nationalist uprisings in southern India. It is also described as a peasant revolt. The movement was led by the Moplahs, the indigenous Muslim community in Kerala's Malabar region. Variam Kunnath Kunj Ahmad Haji was the main Muslim leader of this rebellion. In fact, in 1971, the then Kerala government had included the participants of the rebellion in the category of freedom fighters. Now let's discuss about the wagon tragedy. ICHR has proposed the removal of names including 4 Hindus from the 5th volume of the Dictionary of Martyrs of India's Freedom Struggle 1857 to 1947. Wagon tragedy victims were taken into custody in connection with the Malabar Rebellion of 1921. They were transported to Podanur Central Jail near Coimbatore from Tirur in an almost airtight railway goods wagon on 19 November 1921. As many as 56 persons were found dead due to suffocation. 6 prisoners died en route to the hospital and 8 in the hospital. According to ICHR, victims could be identified as martyrs but not freedom fighters. ICHR said that they were not eligible to be included in the dictionary on martyrs of the Indian freedom struggle. ICHR said that the police records and other historical documents proved that the victims were booked for rioting and forceful religious conversions among other charges. The protesters never addressed the issues of nationality or national freedom but fought for establishing a caliphate, ICHR said. Now moving on to some other important facts. It happened in Malabar region of Kerala, so it is called Malabar Rebellion. The incidents of the uprising took place in the regions which are currently under the Mallapuram district in the North Kerala. The western coast consists of 3 parts. Northern part, Konkan, Mumbai, Goa. Central part, Kannada Plain. And southern part, Malabar coast. Now moving on to the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. Malabar Rebellion was an uprising of Muslim tenants against British rulers and local Hindu landlords in Kerala. 2. Variam Kunnath Kunj Ahmad Haji was the main Muslim leader of this rebellion. 3. The wagon tragedy was related to the Malabar Rebellion. Which of the above statement or statements are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. Or D. 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.